Okay guys, well I was going to wait to do this till after it was registered, but that's still taking a while and I'm still waiting for parts to arrive, so I thought, well, I might as well get these done. I've had these now for almost 7, 8 years now. I bought this back in 2014 from Subaru Okayama. I think I've already done an opening video somewhere on a file, but I'll just do this just in case. So I opened one up just to check, and these are already paint matched to my car, a 2013 Toyota 86 GTS, and my color code for Tornado Grey is 61K, I believe. So we'll just open these up here. You can see these are the barcodes. Okay, I bought this at the dealership in Japan, so I don't know if they're the same worldwide. I prefer these over the 86 ones. I'll show you those why a bit later, but I just thought I'd unwrap this one because I've never opened it. It's been sitting in a box in storage. With this one, getting close to a decade, which is crazy, right? So let's have a look. I'm just going to peel these off too and keep them on record. I'll stick them on a piece of paper and then put them in a file. So let's just open this one up and just hope that it is the other one and it's the right colour. Do this in a later video. Just want to get this done now. I'm backing up on my computer stuff at the moment. Okay, this is how it comes wrapped. They were in boxes, but over the years I've had to keep putting things in storage and making things compact. Something else too, this is very Australian. It's in a Garnish A. It's very Australian. Okay, let's have a look. Please be the correct one. There we go. Man, that's beautiful. There we go. This is the Subaru one. I think it looks way nicer with the black and grey on the rest of the car. It's going to make it much more uniform. It looks really, really nice. It's reasonably easy to pull these off if you have a look on the back here. Recording. See here we've got the, I guess the tape we need to remove, and there's a little bit here on this angle here but we need to cut through. Other than that, we just give them a pull and they should come off nice and easily. Just grab the other one. There we have it. Over the years there've been a couple of different ones. You can get ones because these are actually fake vents. You can actually get ones that do have vents. You've got to do a lot of cutting obviously. Some of the other ones that I actually considered which were nice over the years were the ones that have an indicator in this little spine area here, which I thought is nice, but I've already got I guess indicators for the side mirrors anyway, so that's a little bit too much indicatorage for me. So yeah, we'll go out to the car and we'll put these on. Thanks guys. Okay guys, so we've got the BRZ vents here, alright, and today I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to need, but it was very serendipitous, but I walked outside a couple of weeks ago and found some fishing line on the ground, so I thought, alright, I'll try this, and if this doesn't work, we will be using some tooth floss as well, alright. I've got a couple of trim piece removers as well, but I don't think I need them judging by online. I think I could just use my hands. Okay, we've also got the isopropyl alcohol to clean up the goo that's left. Okay, and I'm also going to use a hairdryer just to soften up the plastic, get it a little bit warmer and make it a little bit more pliable. Okay, it's actually pretty hot today. It's a bit of a stinker, which is Australian for quite hot. Already sweating. Okay, so just be careful though when you're using this. When you're you don't want to get it too close. Okay, you can do damage. So we just want to warm it up enough just so, like I said, the clips become pliable. Alright, and I think that's all we need. I've got a towel for cleaning up whatever the residue. It's probably quite dirty underneath. Okay, so I'll set up the camera and we'll see how we go. Okay, so before we start, so these are factory Subaru BRZ vents. Okay, so if we look behind, we can see exactly where we're trying to get through with the fishing line or the tooth floss. So it's basically this part here, which is the tape. This is just cushioning for these pins. So this is the only bit we have to worry about. Once we get this off, this bit here we should be able to pull off with the hands. Okay, so hopefully that's how it goes. Alright, and from what I've seen online, we need to open the door to get into the corner, and this is where we're going to start from. Alright, so let's see how it goes, yeah? Alternatively, you could put your car out in the sun, but this is, yeah, it's pretty hot like I said. It's midday, so we don't really want to be out in the sun. Skin cancer is a big problem, so we're going to use the hairdryer and just heat up the area here and then see how we go. Okay, hopefully that's coming through. Okay, because it's slightly hot to the touch now, so we're going to try to get through. I might put a little bit of dishwashing liquid onto the fishing line as well, so we're not creating too much friction and burn. So we'll just do that next. Okay, next we're just going to get it in here and then try to cut it through. Just give me a tip. Broke instantly. Ah. Okay guys, whew, I got it off. This looks like it took half the paint off with it, which is good. So I've got to clean all this up and see how messy it is. Looks like that's never been taken off, so I've got a lot of cleaning to do and then we'll pull it off. I found starting off here was way better than trying to get this off, even though I had sawed through it, as you can see here. So yeah, alright, so let's do some cleaning. Some more leaves and we'll get back to it. Whew. Okay guys, the sun went down so it got a little bit cooler, so I reversed the car out just so I could access the driver's side here. This panel is much easier because it's a newer one. This car was in an accident at some stage, I'm guessing. So yeah, this came off much easier. Just a general tip for anyone else trying this. I found pushing from here first and pulling it out gave me much better access. This was really hard to do on the other side anyway. The side came off relatively easy. Bit of WD-40 and then using a clean rag just to get it all off. I had to use a scourer on the other side because it just wasn't budging, but this side, yeah, basically did pretty well. And then a bit of isopropyl alcohol, which I forgot to do on the other side. So yeah, I'll just stick the other side on and we're done. I'll do a quick walk around for you guys. Just give me a tick. Sorry for the low level. Again, we're just peeling this off here and then sticking it on. Too easy. There you go. And there you have it. Looks way better in my opinion. There are better options, but I prefer these. All sorts of different types you can get, but I think these are the nicest. It turned out really well. Obviously factory color paint too, so that was good that it all matched up luckily. 6K Tornado Grey. Yeah, another thing done. I think I might do the gauge cluster hood next, but yeah, let's just see how I'm feeling next week. Alright guys, thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.